Hi Sokna, Spencer from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. To my right, the vehicle you inquired about, our 2021 Mercedes-Benz C300. Selenite gray metallic, black MB-Tex interior, cool styling, good looking vehicle, love the gray metallic, LED headlights, you've got your daytime running light up top, chrome work in the front bumper. This is a retired courtesy vehicle. It's got a great warranty with it. We've got 5-spoke Mercedes-Benz wheels, chrome along the bottom of the vehicle, turn indicators, blind spot monitoring in the door mirrors, chrome along our window frames here, panoramic roof, heated seats, heated steering wheel, premium package vehicle, chrome on the door handles, our keyless entry as well. Around the back, we've got wraparound LED taillights, C300 and 4MATIC badging. That's our all-wheel drive system. Chrome in the tailgate and along our back bumper. Wanted to just put together a quick video tour. Let's take a closer look at the interior. Inside the C300, we can take a closer look at the interior. Black MB-Tex gray contrast stitching matches the selenite gray. We've got a gray natural grain wood trim on our center console here. Screen system for our radio and phone control, dual zone climate. We've got heated seats, power seats for the driver and passenger, upgraded Burmeister surround sound system. It's a comfortable vehicle, 4,300 miles on the odometer, panoramic roof up top, 2 big pieces of glass really open up the cabin. We wanted to put together just a quick video tour, show you the ins and outs of the car. If you have any questions, 207-510-2253 is my direct extension. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.